Hey guys, welcome to Chemistry 090. I'm Mr. Whitehead. I'm going to be your instructor this semester. Now, keep in mind this is a summer course. This is normally taught in 16 weeks during the fall and during the spring, but we've got 10 weeks to cover everything, so this is going to be a fast-paced course. If you have any questions, if you'd like to contact me, you can reach me at my email, jrwhitehead@waketech.edu. You can also look online for my personal schedule and for phone, other ways to contact me, so make sure to check that out. Now, the seated sections of Chemistry 090 are spending 6 hours of lecture per week, and they're spending another 6 to 9 hours outside of that doing practice problems and studying. So you should plan to invest in the online course 12 to 15 hours per week. Now that's reading the recommended readings, videos, lectures, going through the notes, and especially doing the practice problems. So that's 12 to 15 hours per week. Now, lastly, you want to make sure that you hook up your WakeTech email so that I can reach you, because I will send you notifications. Check it daily. If there's an update on one of the quizzes, if there's updates on any of the material, or what you need to know for the testing centers, you're going to need to have that WakeTech email accessible. So I look forward to working with you guys this summer semester.
So being that this is an online class, let's take a quick tour of the website. We're going to start out in the announcements page. Through both your email and through the announcements tab, I'm going to be posting key information, so make sure to regularly check both. For course information, you'll find the syllabus, you'll find our departmental policies, periodic tables that you'll need, and also you'll find the Chem 90 schedule. This is broken down by week, so it tells you where you need to be at any given point, what you should be working on, what is due, and it also tells you when the testing windows open and close, so you can schedule your tests with a distance ed testing center. If you go a little further down, you'll find my personal schedule. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays are the best times to find me on campus. I will be teaching a bit during those times, but when you see office hours listed or when you see the Google Hangouts listed, please feel free to pop in and ask questions. Moving right along, if we go to instructor information, you'll find just a breakdown of my contact information. It's a good place to go for everything all in one spot. And at the bottom, there's a little introductory video so you can see a little bit more about me and where I'm coming from in teaching. Now, a really key tab is going to be a reading and to-do list tab. So on this tab, you're going to find your checklist for the entire semester. This assignment checklist gives you due dates for everything in the course from start to finish. So treat these due dates as concrete dates. Nothing can be submitted late. These are the absolute latest they can be submitted. You're also given a reading list. So the reading list is for the Bishop text. It's available online or in the bookstore. The online copy is free. And it goes through and by topic tells you what you should be reading for any given exam or any given module. Now, speaking of modules, the whole course is broken into modules. If we click on the modules and quizzes tab, there's an orientation to Chem 90 folder. You want to open that up. Inside, you'll find a little welcome information and 2 quizzes that you need to knock out, both the course entry quiz and the course orientation quiz. When you open these up, when you complete them, you'll find that module 1 and 2 and 3 will open up. So you have to complete the orientation material first to open up the rest of the course materials. Now remember, you've got to complete the course entry quiz by the 26th of May or I am required to drop you from the course. Just finishing out the tour of the site, we've got our exam study materials tab. It's exactly that. I give you old exam and test reviews for every exam. Your My Grades and Email tab is a good place to either send an email to me or the class, and you can check your grades there. How Do I Take My Test tab includes information for registering and scheduling your tests with the testing center. And finally, student support and trouble with PowerPoint. That's meant to help you troubleshoot some of the issues you're going to come across with the course. Gives you 24-hour Blackboard support. There's a number to reach them at, the Wake Tech Help Desk. Now, always remember, if you do have a problem, you can also email me at jrwhitehead@waketech.edu.
Hey guys, I recommend going ahead and looking into completing both the course orientation and the course entry quizzes because these are due on May 26th. So this is going to sneak up on you quickly. Now, not completing the course entry quiz by May 26th means I've got to drop you from the course. So make sure you complete the course entry quiz by May 26th. Now, once you have the course orientation and course entry quizzes completed, you can go ahead and start working on Module 1. So this course is going to require math. You're going to be solving equations much like 2x equals 8. Now how would we get to the x? By dividing both sides by 2. Crosses out our 2's on the left. We end up with x equals 4. Now this is called solving for a single variable. We'll be doing this and conversions, 2 key math skills. Now, if you find this intimidating, if you find this difficult, we're going to need to tackle this early on. We've got resources for this. You can go to the Wake Tech ILC, or Individualized Learning Center, for math help. You can also come to my office hours, see my personal schedule on Blackboard. You can also email me or call with questions if you're getting stuck. Or you can start now and look early for help instead of waiting till later in the semester when our problems build on each other, because Chem 90 is a course that builds upon itself through the semester. So start now, start early, and get the help you need, and I'm more than happy to point you in the right direction.